and we'll be happy to find you another seat. Once airborne, flight time will be 6 hours and 56
Here we
minutes.
are.
Thank you.
You can't even see it. It's just... Hi guys. We're in Tressa. I feel like this is where we're supposed to be. Right? Excuse me. Are you waiting for the bus? The bus stop? Okay. Thank you. So, we're here waiting to get our tickets. No, actually we have our tickets. We're waiting for our ferry to come so we can do that. We are on a ferry ride. We're going island hopping in Lake Maggiore, whatever. We're in Italy and we're doing a thing. The view looks fake. Our pizza, our first meal in Italy. We are about to have our first little Italian meal. And also, we have limoncello spritz. Literally, the background right there is just gorgeous. My background is people. Okay, that's better. We are on the little pier. We had to make the background. So, here we are. Oh, I'm blocking the microphone. But here we are. Manny. now we are waiting for the little taxi boats back there. We're waiting for ours to come pick us up so we can go to, where are we going? Isabella. We can go to the last island and then hopefully we can go to our hotel room. And I would like to go to the pool, but we will see. We are back. I'm not really sure how many stairs we walked up today, but the views are gorgeous. Look at this view. Whew. Okay. So, still not back at the hotel. This is the last island that we are visiting today. And yeah, we will meet back at the hotel. Bye. We're finally back at our hotel and we have a nice little Italian styled room. Look at the doors. And here's the bathroom. We're back at the hotel now and we are finally at the pool. So we've left. Where were we? At the pool. We're back at this little cafe. And you can see the name here. They have a nice little setup. We're just here getting a little cocktail. And then we're gonna go have dinner at a nice little bistro on the roof. And yeah, cheers. Okay, we are finished at the little cafe getting a little wine before dinner. Now we are going to the Regina Palace. Is that what it's called? Is it Regina?
Yes.
We like Regina's.
No, it's not Regina Palace.
Yes, it is.
No, because that's Regina Palace. This is right beside it.
Girl, so if we're not going to see Regina, who are we going to see?
It might be Regina Palace.
It is Regina. I know who house we going to.
Okay.
All right, let me show y'all where we going. It's gonna say Regina's Palace. I need to put my mask back on. What? Oh, no, we're not going to Regina. We're going to La Bole. Oh, I get it. The little bowls.
We're actually in a rooftop per lake.
I get it because of the little bowls. La Bole. They, the bubbles. Okay, well, we'll be back when we get seated and, to the roof. This is the rooftop view. We're about to have dinner here. Here's how our food is looking. Got some spaghetti and a view. We're walking around the town in Lake Maggiore. We found this cute little perfume shop. The smells are great. And I got a nice little oud candle. So yeah. So we were supposed to go to Lake Como today. They canceled our tour. And I canceled my getting dressed. We are now just walking around the town. Showed you guys a perfume place, and she is trying her luck here with the lottery. So let's see if it works out for her. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see. Not Google Translate. Okay, we're just trying to see how much she wins. "50 minutes later." You should know how to play it first. Guys, if she wins, we'll be back. If she doesn't, bye.